What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. You see the box, you see the title. I finally got this as a late dub, meaning a W. Now, if you guys remember, I did the Air Force, the recent Air Force, the Air Force One undefeated dunk collab. I said that was the first time I got the Air Force Ones, which is literally still over there next to me. In that corner that I have to return. Like I said, the one time I probably got maybe the first or second best dunk. This time around, I only hit the Air Forces because I was late. But I got a late W right here. So shout out to Kif. I got this from a Kif raffle. I just picked it up today. So yeah, you see the title, you see the box. No further ado, let's get into it. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 300 plus, as well as 1K subs. Once we do all that stuff, we're going to do a free giveaway, as well as comment whatever you want to say, because I respond to all my comments. So let's get right into it. Ladies, hit the Instagram DM. Go follow me, guys. Follow me on Instagram. We're on our way to, big things over there on Instagram. So just go follow me over there, as well as check out the main channel. Those two links will be down below in the description. So let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, you already know, typical undefeated logo, Nike logo. The back, nothing. This is an 8.5 men's, so it's 10 women's. The front got the Nike logo, and then of course on the top you got the Dunk versus Air Force One undefeated logo, as well as the orange Nike. So like I said, this is 8.5. I went for my size because I feel like the reason why I've been catching a lot of dubs in my size is because, a lot of dubs because I've been putting it in my size. Dunks, a lot of people, if you ask them what size should they get in dunks, they always say go true to size, that's not a fact for me. So I think that's why it benefits. Like, people have been saying, oh, if I wear 10 in Jordans or whatever, get a 10 in dunks. Or if I wear 9, get a 9 in dunks. That's not a fact. I wear 3 sizes. Every sneaker that's true to size is a 9.5 for me. And then I wear a size 10 in Jordan 1s. And only in dunks, I have to go down to an 8.5. Look at the difference. 8.5, 9.5, 10. So I guess everyone goes true to size, and no one really wears 8.5 in sneakers. So I'll be catching the dubs on 8.5. So let's get right into it. You guys already know you guys seen this on the channel with the other dunks and the Air Forces. Air Force dunk undefeated paper right here. Now we have a huge problem that I'm gonna mention probably right now, but look at these. Just because it's a black shoe, I'm gonna have to bring it in closer so you can see the details, because you can't really see much from back here. But yeah, these things is crazy. Oh, I didn't even realize they come with different black laces. Wow. It comes with skinnier laces instead of these thick ones. No homo. But yeah, let's put this on the side. I don't even know where to put this. Put it right there. A little closer, right? Because I'm in boxers anyways. But yeah, you see these thick laces? Like, nobody really wants thick laces on their dunks. So it actually came with additional laces, but it's the skinny ones that usually come with dunks. I didn't even know it came with extra laces, because when the hell would they give you black on black laces? Wait, what does this say inside? It got like a tag. This shoe contains real fur type, dyed, adult berry fur origin Brazil. Well, it tells you what the shoe comes with. The little paper in there, and then your size 8.5. Let's just do a quick thumbnail with these, just so I can get the thumbnail working. I know it's because it's dark. It's gonna be hard to get a thumbnail, but let's get it right there. Boom. Okay. What I will say is, all right, so this is the thing, this is my problem. This is the big problem. I low-key want to keep these for personal. Now, this is what's gonna happen. If I get 20 likes on this video, I will keep the shoe. If I don't, then I'll sell it. The reason why I said I want to keep it is because it's hard when you get a shoe in your size. Like, if I would have got this in a different size, then I'd be like, all right, cool, I'm selling, no problem. But it's my size, and why would you turn down a retail pair of something you may wear, may want, just because you have it? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you show me this online, I'm like, yeah, it's cool, it's black with the blue gun bombs, which I'm gonna get right into it, which is massively tough. But the reason why I want to keep it is because, one, it's in my size, and this will be fire to have. Two, I don't like, you'll be surprised, I have no black sneakers, like an all black sneaker in my collection. If you think about it, what Jordans are all black? You know what I'm saying? Like, the Jubilees are black, but it's white. The Bread, obviously, is black, but it's red, black. Red, red, black, and white. This is like Air Forces, but they're Dunks, and they're Undefeated, the Nike collab. And these are fire. You get what I'm saying? Like, these are fire. So if I get 20 likes on this video, I will keep the shoe. 20 likes, I keep the shoe. I don't get 20 likes, I won't keep the shoe. Now, it's all on you guys, because obviously when I post these, people are going to hit me up to buy. So if they buy it before this video gets 20 likes, then the shoe is being sold. And then I guess it wasn't meant to be. But let's get right into the shoe. Let's take a hard sniff of this one, because I'm going to put this one down, I don't want this lace messing up the details, but it smells pretty fresh. My nose is a little clogged, so I can't really smell it. Let's put this sideways, because I don't want to get messed up in case I sell it. But let's get right into the details. So of course, inside has that Dunk versus Air Force Undefeated Nike collab logo all up in there. Like I said, it comes with that thick, different shoelace, but they did bring extra shoelaces. I never seen a shoe wear black laces and then give you an extra pair of black laces, just different type of laces. But that's the thick ones, in case people like that, then cool, keep it. If not, you have the option to change it. As well as I realized with this collab, they given that foam weird tongue shit again. See, that weird foam one is like thick. It got like, you know what I'm saying? But because it's black, it looks way better than it ever did on any other shoe. But you can see it kind of from the front as well. It's like that foam tongue. Meanwhile, you see the logo right there is the Undefeated logo. What I did realize, I didn't know that because I didn't really research this shoe until I got it. But on the inside, you got the leather logo, Nike. The leather, right? And then it may have like, I don't know, some like dots on it, but you can see it right there. And then if you switch it around, it has that fur, that nice, you know what I'm saying, that nice fur right there. Now if this is real fur, I don't really know, with all the protests of furs and killing animals, I have no clue. And then obviously you got the Undefeated logo right next to it. So this is the fur one on the outside, and then you got the regular leather one on the inside. So just to compare it a little bit, because I know somebody they're going to comment, oh, let me see the difference. But yeah, you see it right there. You got the leather, and then you got the fur one. So you could kind of see there's a little different reflection on it. You can see this one's more darker, this one's more brighter. You know what I'm saying? So that you can see. What else is the details? Obviously the obvious, the gun bottoms, fire. I literally got this and was like, yo, this is literally like the Gamma Blue 11s. If you remember the Gamma Blue 11s, this is exactly it. All black, the little icy gun bottom, the blue shit. Only thing is, it don't have like a yellow. If this had like a yellow, like a little line of gold yellow on the tongue as the Undefeated so it could stick out, this would literally be the Gamma Blue 11s, but just a Dunk. Now, this on feet, boom, it would just be crazy. I low-key am thinking about keeping these. Mind you, guys, just if you're watching at this point, I got my old job back. So that's going to make me want to keep shit, because if I'm still doing YouTube, this reselling, all this stuff, and I have my job, I'm going to rely on me getting paid to be like, you know what, let me just keep these because I get paid so I could just, pay for it. But, I don't know, man, they are fire. Just because it's black, I definitely want to keep it. And just because I got it for retail, it's hard to keep stuff for retail. It's hard to not want to keep something when you have the hot item in your hand, your size. You get what I'm saying? Like, if this was any other size, like size 8, size 9, 9.5 and up, I would be like, all right, I got it. I wouldn't even think, oh, I like these, let me buy. Because I'm not buying resale unless it's like 10 out of 10. These are not 10 out of a 10, but having it in your size make it a 10 out of 10. You understand? So you guys let me know what you think about this shoe. Is it a sleeper? I know I got it late because obviously certain stores with shipment, but I got it from Kif 2 weeks after it dropped, so I'm fine with it, whatever. You know, my size doesn't do too crazy on resale, which is good and bad, whatever. But yeah, let me know in the comments, regardless if I hit the 20 likes or not. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think these are fire? Are they a sleeper? Or do you think they suck, like they're trash? To me, this is probably the first or second best dunk out of the collab of the Nike Air Force Undefeated. Some people would say the first dunk, I believe. Nah, the first one was that beige, like green, whatever. The second one was the purple and blue. Those I still have, obviously, seen on the channel before, but I have got a new pair because I won a raffle that was late anyways. Again, just like these are late, but now they're added to the channel. But some people might pick this as the first best one. Some people might pick this as the second. But you guys let me know in the comments. What do you think about them? Should I keep? Because you guys know I've been keeping too many shoes, so much personals. Like, ever since I've been starting this YouTube on this channel, I've been keeping so much personals. Literally, if you guys only imagine. I probably would do a recap video of all the sneakers I got since I started this channel. Yeah, it'll probably be insane, to be honest. It'll be more sneakers than you probably imagine. I started this channel prior to like moving into this like space, and I added so many shoes to my personal that I never would imagine that I would add to my personal. But yeah, let me know what you think about this comment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Mind you, this video is a little too long. It's because there's so much to say about the shoe. To be honest, I actually like these shoes a lot. Now, is it worth the keep? I don't know. That's up to you guys. Let me know what you think. Regardless, I got my job back, so I am going to be working around that schedule. But at the same time, you guys know I'm not going to stop doing everything that I do. So let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy is out. See you guys on the flip side. Holla.